Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to change a YouTube channel name on a phone or Android or any on iPhone or any smartphone. So in my previous video, I showed you how to change a YouTube channel name on a computer. So then I didn't complete that. I ended it with a computer. Then I promised to show you how to change it over the phone. Now this is the video that's gonna show you exactly that. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Israel, and if you haven't yet subscribed and you're willing to stay and learn all the tips about YouTube, make sure that you subscribe there at the bottom. Also touch the bell button next to it to receive a message whenever I upload something new to you. So now, how do we change the YouTube channel's name on the mobile, on the phone? You're using a phone. Many people out there are using cell phone, especially here in Africa. But then now questions are coming in. These videos, all these videos that I make, that I produce, are videos that I get questions in my comment box. That's why I always urge you, if you have a question, put it there in the comment box below. Drop it there in a comment box. I'll make a video and deliver it. That is why I ask you to click on that bell button next to the subscribe button, so you can it can let you know, your phone can let you know that my video is done and delivered for you. So now we're going to jump straight onto the computer here and show you exactly how to change the name, how to change a channel, YouTube channel name on the phone. So let's go and pull out this phone here, pull out this Android cell phone here, and then we see exactly how to do just that. Now swipe and then open, go to YouTube. Where is YouTube? There, go to YouTube. Then YouTube will open straight away. So what you're gonna do right now is move. I see there's a lot of recommended. This is property cameras and stuff. Okay, go to your avatar there on your profile picture on top there, right? And then click on it. Click on that. Click on your avatar. Click on your avatar. Your avatar will pull out this menu here. Now on this menu is where we're gonna find our way to where we can change our name. As you can see here, there's your channel, there's your YouTube studio, where you customize your videos and put in tags and everything. I've got videos about all that. You can go and check them out. Time watched, this is where you see how much time you have watched on your, and then there is paid membership. If you are monetizing, switch accounts. If you've got 3 accounts and you want to switch to another Gmail account without logging out, so you just click on switch account. I received also questions on how do you switch to another mobile. How do you switch? Let me check on the comments here. It said, how do you switch? Where is that comment? How do you switch accounts? Yeah, how do you change YouTube email to another email account? So now this is where you want to switch accounts. You switch your YouTube to another account or to another account. So that is where you go. If you want to turn your data in YouTube and see all that, and then settings and all that. So but now we're going to ignore all of this that we see below, and then we go for manage your account. Now manage your account, it's going to take us straight into your Google account. As you can see there on top, it says Google account. Now Google owns YouTube. Google owns YouTube. Now what happens is, if you want to change any personal details on YouTube, you have to check in. Have to check in and clock in by Google. Google is is the manager of YouTube. He manages YouTube. He owns it. So now go here, and then when you click here, you will see there is a menu here. The main top menu here says home, personal info, data info, and all that. So if you move it, you'll see security, you'll see people and sharing, you'll see payment and subscriptions. So now here, let's go back. You will choose on personal info. Personal info will open a menu there, In this menu, you will see your profile, you'll see your avatar there. If you want to change your profile picture, you click on that one. Someone else also asked, how do I change my personal picture? Let me see the subscriptions. How to change how how to change your cover photo. I'll make a video of that. How to change your profile picture. If you're watching right now, this is where you go to change your profile picture, and then you set profile picture, you choose that, and then it will take you through, and then you see where you change your profile picture. Now here, this video is about how to change your name, your channel name. Now under the profile picture, you'll see name. That's your first name. You can change your first name, and then you can also put your second name there. Now this one on the mobile doesn't have the option of first name and second name. On the computer one, computer mode computer mode has first name and then second name underneath, but here just put the both of the names there in the name, first name and then second name, and then go. If you want to change your birthday, and this is not my birthday, this is my uncle's birthday, so you can just put in anyone's birthday. You don't have to put, this social media stuff, you don't use your real details. So now you go here, gender, all of that, you can change it from here, your cell phone number, your everything here, you fill it in there. So now this here is where you change the name. So now you change the name here, you click on that, click on name, it will open now this tab here where you can change your name. Aha, there we go, this is what I was looking for. The first name and then the last name, first name and last name. So put in your first name here if it's the one you want to change, click on it, it will bring you a cursor, and then change it. If you want to change it, then you go to last name and then also change it there, and then you click below, scroll down, and then you say save. Then you save. After you save the name, now this is where now you need to be patient. In case your YouTube, now if your YouTube channel is over 1,000 subscribers to couple it is in thousands of subscribers, you won't be able to change the name. It won't give you the option to change the name. You can only change the name if the channel is still small. So you need to make up your mind. Make up your mind while your channel is still under hundreds of subscribers. If it's over, it's big, it's got authority, it's gained its authority already. So many people, how does it gain authority? Is when people have linked to your channel, you've linked to other people, you've subscribed, they've subscribed to you, you've shared, they've shared yours. So your channel has gone and it has intermarried with other channels. It has linked and linked and linked. There's a whole network that is happening there in the behind scene where you don't see. Now, after when it gains authority, it's got roots, it's got grounds. Then YouTube locks it and it doesn't allow you, because now when you keep changing your name as you please, YouTube has to use its resources to go around and change and change and change. Now, those are resources. YouTube is for free. You don't pay anything. You don't pay YouTube to do all that work. It's for free. So therefore, please, YouTube locks it so you can save it all that drama and all that energy to go around changing whenever you won't make up your mind. You keep changing your mind in the morning and the evening and whenever you feel like. So now if it locks up, if you see that you can't change and the settings are changed, YouTube will tell you this channel's name cannot be changed. So therefore, just quit. So make sure that you change whatever, you make up your mind when your channel is still small. So now this is how now you change your YouTube channel's name. Let's go out of here. Let's go out of here, out, and then we go back. So when you get back to your YouTube channel, make sure that you refresh. How do you refresh? You pull down, scroll down, slide down, and then it refreshes it. Scroll down, then it refreshes it, refresh it, and then you will see the name will have changed. Now automatically when you change the name by Google, in Google account, it will automatically come and change it on YouTube. So this is how exactly you change the YouTube channel's name on your mobile. So if you want to see more of these tips of this kind, I've got several, I've got thousands and thousands of tips that I have on YouTube. Go down there and dive into my playlist and search them out. If you can't, leave a comment there, a comment box, and I'll give you the link of that video that to which you're really looking for the answer. Now, if you're new to this channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you subscribe at the bottom there. Touch the bell button again to receive a message whenever I deliver your video that you requested. Israel once again, and I want you to keep coming back and back again for more YouTube tips. Bye bye.